Let's talk about BCH or Bitcoin Cash. Right now, we are having an interesting time because, as you can see here, view up has kind of flattened out and it looks like it can reverse at any time. But in reality, on the daily chart, what we are looking for is a real curve to the upside and a steeper curve, just like the one we had here. To get that, we actually need to break the 567 area. So I'll write it down. Break 567 area, view up on the daily curve up, hopefully MFI as well. Money flow index is MFI, because right now money flow is definitely not looking good. It is bearish, and we go to the daily chart. We can see that shorts are in control. We have 45,000 tokens, which is 20 mil or something, and 7,000 right now just got closed. That's a serious amount of tokens. Might be even more. I can't really be asked to count. Maybe it's a lot more, maybe it's 200 mil, I don't know, but a lot of Bitcoin Cash logs were closed. And sorry, I'm a little sleepy. And shorts are in control even on the 3 hours, so I'm not gonna be buying today. But this is the note I will have for my next video. We just managed to buy a lot of other stuff, which I'm very happy about. We're still up to 174 grand on the Beamcoin portfolio. On Voice, if you want to learn more about my strategies, how I do them, use the links in the description down below. Love you with all my heart. See you next video.